Hello everyone, welcome to another new video of tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is collective noun. Now what is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of the collection of common nouns is called collective nouns. Example, a class of students. Here, class is the example of collective noun and students is the example of common noun. Next, a group of people. Here group is the example of collective noun and people is the example of common noun. Means a class of students means the name of the collection of common noun is called collective noun. The name of the collection. What is the name of the collection? The class. And student is the common noun. Same. The name of the collection of people is called collective noun. The name of the collection is here group and the common noun is people. Now let's see some list of collective nouns. See, a gaggle of geese, gaggle, collective noun. A swarm of bees, swarm, collective noun. A crew of sailors, crew. A herd of cattle, herd. A flock of birds, flock. A cluster of stars, cluster. A tuft of grass, tuft. A pride of lions, pride. A pack of wolves, pack. A chest of drawers, chest. A deck of cards, deck. A school of fish, school. Here all the underlined words gaggle, swarm, crew, herd, flock, cluster, tuft, pride, pack, chest, deck and school all are the example of collective nouns and they are the collection of common noun. Geese, bees, sailors, kettle, birds, stars, grass, lions, wolves, drawers, cards and fish. They all are common noun and the underlined words are collective noun. Okay, so to get this kind of videos, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.